What makes you happy?
Just my future.
This school is really important because we provide services for the kids that other places can't.
It's dynamic, it's diverse, it's designed to engage learners who have different needs and different experiences and different wants and passions and learning challenges.
I'm going to help you. Do you remember, how do we chat?
Our students don't necessarily come in as like a freshman with all of their freshman courses, so we have to really build our programs around each individual student.
And not only are we working on those academics and the credits to graduate, but it's really all about how will we give them the tools that they need for after they graduate.
Turn it into a math lesson to figure out how many items go in the bag.
The resources are so important. Professional development is like huge, right? How do you get everybody trained in social emotional learning strategies? So it's not just a matter of individual sessions or group sessions with a clinician. All of our staff are trained in various types of clinical interventions.
The level of facility that you have with identifying mental health issues and dealing with regulation and dealing with coping skills is probably better than almost anywhere else in the state.
Bag of tools, yeah.
And when you know something's triggering you, get into your bag of tools before you
Different
get upset.
social emotional programs that we have going on, and one of the bigger ones is our dog therapy programs. So we have some that are strictly for therapy. We have some dogs, they come so that the kids can read to them, because the dog is not judging them.
Every school should have a therapy dog, every school.
We really try to make it as unique and interesting as possible for them, trying to do a hands-on approach to learning, a lot of project-based learning. It's so important to have the resources that we need because our kids don't have access to everything like every other kid does.
We are working on a certified wildlife habitat.
A lot of these students enjoy the opportunity to really do hands-on project-based learning. It's giving kids, that may not necessarily have opportunities like this to learn, different skills and just, be exposed to different things. And it may be something that they may enjoy, that they could use in the future.
Impatient.
There's an experience that's involved in education, whether that's sports, whether that's clubs, whether that's student government, whether it's the prom. So what we try to do here is to provide that. As the athletic director, sports are important for me. I've been coaching for 25 years and I've seen sports change lives.
Actually, basketball, I can say saved my life because before I came to school, I was bad, very bad.
I want them to leave here knowing that they're loved, knowing that they're going to be a part of society, knowing that they're going to be a positive impact in society.
So the fact that you stuck, we got to invest in education, we got to invest in our kids and invest in our teachers as well.